Friday. Thanks for joining us here on 9 News Plus. I'm 9 News Weather Impact Team meteorologist Keely Chalmers with a look at your forecast for today, for the weekend, and for the week ahead as we head into Thanksgiving. We've got some interesting weather moving in, a couple storms to talk about that will bring certainly snow to the mountains. We're talking potentially some heavy snow for our second storm that will be moving in. And then for the first one, we're talking about snow in the high country, possibly a little bit less than an inch here in the metro area Wednesday, the day before Thanksgiving. There is a good chance at this point, it looks like we will see some snow here at the lower elevations. We'll get into all of that coming up, but let's take you outside right now to enjoy the beautiful weather today. Temperatures well above normal for this time of the year, at least our high temperatures as we head into the afternoon. We've got beautiful blue skies. Here's a look at our Eisenhower Johnson tunnels. I-70 traffic smooth, the roads dry. It is a great day to head up to the mountains, take advantage of some snow, make a few turns on those runs. Just saw some folks doing that. That's always a fun thing to do on days like today, where temperatures soaring again into the low 60s. I don't know if soaring's the right word to use that, but for this time of the year, it seems appropriate because we've got lots of sunshine, temperatures quite warm, 56 already out of DIA. Winds out of the southwest, 10 miles per hour. Just a few clouds out overhead. Actually, a few more clouds than we initially thought. And that's going to keep temperatures maybe a couple degrees cooler than we thought yesterday. But again, still a beautiful day as temperatures climb into the low 60s. Here's a look out over Lookout Mountain. You can see those mountain wave clouds right there. It's going to make for a beautiful sunset. And but again, keeping a little bit of shade out there in those temperatures, a couple degrees cooler than initially thought. Our weather headlines for today: it's going to be sunny and warm today and tomorrow. We are expecting, again, I talked about two storms moving through, one bringing us the potential for some light snow at the lower elevations Sunday night into Monday morning. Certainly going to see snow in the mountains, but again, potentially a little bit of a snow starting as rain, transition to snow overnight. We know the drill. Monday morning, waking up to a little bit of snow. Again, we're talking about less than an inch here at the lower elevation, several inches in the high country. And then another storm moves in Tuesday night into Wednesday. This is going to be accompanied with a cold front moving through, dropping high temperatures into the 30s. So it is going to be chilly. And again, we get a lot of moisture associated with this system, a lot more moisture than our first storm system. So again, there's a good amount of snow expected for the mountains. We're talking potentially feet of snow in the mountains in some areas. And again, we could see some snow down here at the lower elevations as well. Taking a look at our satellite radar right now, we've got a ridge of high pressure still dominating our weather pattern. You can see those mountain wave clouds right there over the northern front range in the plains, and again, keeping things a little bit cooler than initially thought. Also have a system off there. You can see in the Pacific Northwest moving through. We are going to be tracking, again, not just one, but two systems making their way into our area. So today, expect mild conditions, a few mountain wave clouds. We're already seeing that, partly cloudy skies. Temperatures climbing to about 61 degrees, so about 10 degrees above where we should be for this time of the year. So it is going to be a warm one out there. And we're looking at mainly 60s across the plains, although those snow-packed areas staying in the 50s for the most part, but those without the snow warming into the 60s once again, and we're looking at 40s, 50s in the mountains. Tonight, light winds, pretty mild, temperatures dropping down about 35 degrees. Some areas across the plains probably not even dropping into the 30s, probably staying right around 40 degrees. Winds out of the south-southwest, 5 to 10 miles per hour. So a mild night tonight, and tomorrow we'll see another day of sunshine. Temperatures even warmer, getting up to about 66 degrees. So we're talking 10 to 15 degrees above normal for this time of the year. A little bit breezy in the foothills, winds out of the south-southwest, 5 to 15 miles an hour. So here's a look at your forecast highs. We're looking at, again, for tomorrow, highs in the 60s, 40s, and 50s in the mountains. All right, let's track those two storms. So here we go. Putting our forecast into motion, this is Sunday morning. We start to see the snow move in over the high country. By about Sunday, 5, 6 o'clock, we start to see some precipitation. Again, this is mainly an I-70 north event as we head into Sunday night, but some precipitation, the form of rain, moves into the metro area. This is Sunday evening. And then as we head into Sunday night, Monday morning, it transitions to snow, waking up 5 o'clock to some snow out across I-70 through the mountains, out east along I-70 as well. That includes the metro area. Again, this is quick moving, pretty quick burst of snow. So we're expecting less than an inch here in the metro area. So again, anywhere from a trace to an inch along the urban corridor for Monday morning. Yeah, obviously could make for some slick driving conditions out there. But again, we're expecting a couple storms. So here's what we're looking for next week. Mountain snow Sunday into Wednesday. We talked about that. Heaviest mountain snow will become Tuesday into Wednesday. That's when we get some very impressive snow totals. Denver area snow likely on Wednesday. As for how much, we're looking again anywhere from 1 to 2 feet of snow in the mountains for the storm moving in Tuesday into Wednesday. And again, a decent chance at this point we'll see snow here at the lower elevations. Of course, we will keep tracking. That's a ways out. We will keep tracking that storm. But for now, we've got temperatures in the 60s. Sunday, a little bit cooler as temperatures drop into the 50s. High temperatures in the 40s on Monday. We are seasonal on Tuesday. And again, that cold front moves through as well as that storm moisture pack, bringing us a decent chance for snow on Wednesday. Your Thanksgiving holiday at this point, there's a slight chance we may see some morning snow. We're looking just like that system will kind of just lose its moisture, and we should be waking up to maybe a little bit of slow. Otherwise, a very nice afternoon, but a chilly afternoon with temperatures topping out in the upper 30s. That is a quick look at your forecast on this Friday. Thanks so much for joining us here on 9 News Plus. I'm 9 News Weather Impact Team meteorologist Keely Chalmers. Have a great day. I don't know what I'm saying. So, Corey,